Okay, we're gonna do this remote control car video today, but so we're gonna start doing it today.
Hello there. Hello there, YouTube. I am gonna tape this tape onto the Panos Cruiser.
And then I'm gonna do this car today.
Alright.
Wait.
We're gonna get a few more tape on here so that way it can be supported from the bottom. Do a little tape right there. That way it can be supported from the sides again. And how about one for the top? And how about one more right here? Alright.
Oh wait, is it gonna take too long?
No?
Let me know.
Alright, let's go!
The video gonna get too long?
No, just let's go! Yeah, one of the wheels is broken. It's tape, but
Didn't really work.
alright, let's go! Cool.
What would have been cool?
Dropping it down the stairs. Ah! Oh no, you have to go back. All right.
Somewhere else.
How about you want to call it good?
Oh, wait. Don't put your hands in the middle of the shot. Then
How about do it one more place and we'll call it good?
And let's do it in the bedroom. One more place, and then we'll start get going.
One, two, three.
Okay, we'll swing it back. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get going. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Let me see how much time we had. Oh, 5.
Bye.